8 sovereign states have publicly announced successful detonation of nuclear weapons. 5 are considered to be nuclear weapon states: the United Kingdom, France, and China. Since the NPT entered into force in 1970, 3 states that were not parties to the treaty have conducted overt nuclear tests, namely India, Pakistan, and North Korea. North Korea had been a party to the NPT but withdrew in 2003. Israel is also generally understood to have nuclear weapons, but does not acknowledge it, maintaining a policy of deliberate ambiguity, and is not known definitively to have conducted a nuclear test. Israel is estimated to possess somewhere between 75 and 400 nuclear warheads. One possible motivation for nuclear ambiguity is deterrence with minimum political cost. States that formerly possessed nuclear weapons are South Africa and the former Soviet republics of Belarus, Kazakhstan, and Ukraine, whose weapons were repatriated to Russia. According to Stockholm International Peace Research Institute, the worldwide total inventory of nuclear weapons as of 2019 stood at 13,865, of which 3,750 were deployed with operational forces. In early 2019, more than 90% of the world's 13,865 nuclear weapons were owned by Russia and the United States. The following is a list of states that have admitted the possession of nuclear weapons or are presumed to possess them, the approximate number of warheads under their control, and the year they tested their first weapon and their force configuration. This list is informally known in global politics as the Nuclear Club. With the exception of Russia and the United States, these figures are estimates. In some cases, quite unreliable estimates. In particular, under the Strategic Offensive Reductions Treaty, thousands of Russian and US nuclear warheads are inactive in stockpiles awaiting processing. The fissile material contained in the warheads can then be recycled for use in nuclear reactors. From a high of 70,300 active weapons in 1986, as of 2019 there are approximately 3,750 active nuclear warheads and 13,890 total nuclear warheads. In the world, many of the decommissioned weapons were simply stored or partially dismantled, not destroyed. It is also noteworthy that since the dawn of the atomic age, the delivery methods of most states with nuclear weapons has evolved, with some achieving a nuclear triad, while others have consolidated away from land and air deterrence to submarine-based forces. These 5 states are known to have detonated a nuclear explosive before the 1st of January 1967 and are thus nuclear weapon states under the Treaty on the Non-Proliferation of Nuclear Weapons. They also happen to be the UN Security Council's permanent members with veto power on UNSC resolutions. The United States developed the first nuclear weapons during World War II in cooperation with the United Kingdom and Canada as part of the Manhattan Project, out of the fear that Nazi Germany would develop them first. It tested the first nuclear weapon on 16 July 1945 at 5:30 a.m. and remains the only country to have used nuclear weapons in war, devastating the Japanese cities of Hiroshima and Nagasaki. The project expenditure through 1 October 1945 was reportedly $1.845–2 billion. In current dollars, roughly 0.8% of the US GDP in 1945 and equivalent to about $23 billion in 2019. It was the first nation to develop the hydrogen bomb, testing an experimental prototype in 1952. During the Cold War, the United States built approximately 70,000 nuclear warheads, more than all other nuclear weapon states combined. The Soviet Union tested its first nuclear weapon, with a theoretical yield of 100 megatons, intentionally reduced to 50 when detonated. After its dissolution in 1991, the Soviet weapons entered officially into the possession of the Russian Federation. The Soviet nuclear arsenal contained some 45,000 warheads at its peak. The Soviet Union built about 55,000 nuclear warheads since 1949. The United Kingdom tested its first nuclear weapon equipped with nuclear weapons during the Cold War. It currently maintains a fleet of 4 Vanguard-class ballistic missile submarines equipped with Trident II missiles. In 2016, the UK House of Commons voted to renew the British nuclear weapons system with a Dreadnought-class submarine, without setting a date for the commencement of service of a replacement to the current system. France tested its first nuclear weapon in 1960. After the Cold War, France has disarmed 175 warheads with the reduction and modernization of its arsenal that has now evolved to a dual system based on submarine-launched ballistic missiles and medium-range air-to-surface missiles. However, new nuclear weapons are in development and reformed nuclear squadrons were trained during Enduring Freedom operations in Afghanistan. France signed the Nuclear Non-Proliferation Treaty in 1992. In January 2006, President Jacques Chirac stated a terrorist act or the use of weapons of mass destruct